The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, launched in 2025, is Samsung's flagship tablet, redefining mobile productivity and entertainment for professionals, creatives, and multimedia enthusiasts. Its 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display boasts a 2960 by 1848 resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering a cinematic experience. With a peak brightness of 1600 nits and an outdoor mode hitting 1000 nits, visibility remains crisp under sunlight. Slim 5.2mm bezels and rounded corners maximize the viewable area, while HDR10+ support enhances vibrant colors and deep contrast, ideal for everything from movies to graphic design. Design-wise, the Tab S11 Ultra is sleeker and lighter than its predecessor, the S10 Ultra, at 5.1mm thick and 692 grams. Its armor aluminum body with IP68 dust and water resistance exudes premium durability. Available in gray and silver, it includes a redesigned hexagon-shaped S Pen without a charging dock, offering a tapered tip and ergonomic grip for precise drawing, note-taking, and control. The S Pen's chargeless design boosts portability. The tablet supports Wi-Fi 7 and 5G for blazing fast connectivity, alongside Bluetooth 5.4 and an in-display fingerprint sensor for security. Its quad-speaker system, tuned by AKG with Dolby Atmos, delivers immersive surround sound. Performance is driven by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, a 3nm processor debuting in the Galaxy Tab series. It offers a 33% NPU boost, 24% CPU improvement, and 27% GPU enhancement, accelerating AI-driven tasks. Configurations include 12GB or 16GB RAM, expandable via microSD. Running Android 16 with One UI 8, it promises 7 years of software updates. Galaxy AI features, powered by Gemini Live, include conversational assistance, drawing assist for sketching, writing assist for text refinement, and circle to search for on-screen queries. The new Now Brief provides daily summaries, while enhanced Dex mode supports 4 workspaces for laptop-like multitasking. Advanced thermal management and battery optimization minimize heat during prolonged use. The camera system surpasses tablet norms. A 13MP main plus 8MP ultra-wide rear setup supports 4K video with AI-enhanced auto adjustments for high-quality shots. A single 12MP ultra-wide front camera suffices for video calls, a shift from the S10 Ultra's dual front cameras, as user data confirmed the ultra-wide's adequacy. The 11,600 mAh battery, with 45W fast charging, offers over 10 hours of intensive use streaming, gaming, or productivity. Priced at $1,199, the Tab S11 Ultra is a laptop alternative. Samsung Notes and Microsoft 365 integration streamline workflows, and the optional book cover keyboard transforms it into a 2-in-1 device. Drawbacks include its high price and large size impacting portability, but its innovations, especially AI and display quality, outshine competitors like the iPad Pro. The Tab S11 Ultra is a future-proof powerhouse, indispensable for professionals.